This is exactly how I make my shrimp and mushroom sauce for the grits. All you need to do, cut your tomatoes, cut your onions, saute the onions. When the onions are done, kind of caramelized a little bit, put your tomatoes that you cut up, and then cut up your mushrooms. And then before you start putting the mushrooms and everything in the pot, go ahead and put your shrimp in the toaster oven. Put it for about 5 minutes just to thaw it, because this was frozen. This was frozen shrimp. Thaw it up. When it's done, you'll see I'll put it in there. Make sure you add some chili powder in there, onion flakes. Now I'm adding the shrimp in there. We don't want to overcook them, so just do this, fold them up, let them simmer for about 2 minutes. I'm going to reduce my heat. It was on medium, put it on low.
And let it just simmer in there. Put it on 2 or 3. Delicious.
I'm adding parsley here. I went to get it from the garden and wash it and chop it up.